Hi everyone, and a massive welcome to Navigator Driver Training members area. First of all, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Your membership genuinely helps us create more driving content, more mock tests, more tutorials and more videos to help you learn. We now have 3 levels of membership. So here's a quick breakdown of what you'll get with each one. First gear membership is 99 pence a month. Our first gear membership is designed for anyone who wants to support the channel and unlock a few exclusive perks. As a first gear member, you'll get loyalty badges besides your names in comments and live chats, exclusive members only emojis, priority replies to comments and access to members only short videos. The second gear membership is £4.99 a month. Our second gear membership includes everything from the first gear, plus even more exclusive learning content. You'll also receive driving lesson Q&A, early access to brand new videos before the public release, exclusive members only videos, additional driving lesson support and guidance. This level is ideal for learner drivers who want extra help while learning to drive and preparing for their driving test. The third tier is for driving instructors only. Our driving instructor only membership includes everything from the previous levels, plus content specifically aimed at driving instructors and trainee driving instructors. This includes priority replies to comments, ADI and PDI training videos, instructor-focused training and guidance, extra professional development content. This membership is perfect for qualified driving instructors or anyone training to become an ADI. By supporting the channel, I want to be completely transparent and say that all membership support goes straight back into the channel. That includes things like purchasing new camera equipment, upgrading audio and filming gear, improving video quality, creating better learning resources, producing more mock driving tests and tutorials, investing time into creating exclusive members content. Every membership genuinely helps us continue growing Navigator Driver Training and allows us to keep producing free driving content for everyone on YouTube. Once again, thank you for becoming a member of Navigator Driver Training. Make sure that you check out the members tab regularly because we'll be uploading exclusive content, early access videos, updates, downloads and so much more. Thanks again for your support and we'll see you in the next video.